Yo guys, what is up? What's going on? So as you know, winter mode is officially engaged on my WRX. I'm running the Nordfrost studded winter tires. They are on and they're mounted. And we had our first big snow dump last week where we got like 10 centimeters of snow. So I scrambled that night to put the winters on so the summers didn't get a chance to be cleaned. So as you can see, they are quite filthy here. Literally covered in like a layer of dirt and mud and dust. So a couple days later, we are presented this really nice sunny day. It's like 10 degrees out today. It's still not that warm, but it's just a tease of, I guess, fall. The snow is supposed to come back again this week, I think another 10 centimeters. But I'm using this as a good opportunity to wash the summer wheels today. So this one I just finished washing, and I figured I'd make a quick video to show you guys what I'm doing to wash them. None of this is sponsored. Both these products I bought, and I've never used the Diablo wheel cleaner before. If you remember that giveaway video I did with the Chemical Guys bucket, this came in that bucket. So I'm using it out today. And as I can see from that one wheel I did, it works really good. After I've cleaned it, I'm coating it with CarPro HydrO2, which you guys have seen in videos before. I absolutely love this stuff. It's like a sealant, makes them hydrophobic, and repels the water away with all these nice little beads real nicely. So you can see that. This one's all cleaned, looks really good. So now what I'm gonna do is finish up with this one. I've already given it a quick spray with the Diablo wheel cleaner. So I'm just gonna spray it on there. And just basically clean between all the spokes. And then I'm gonna just hit it with this CarPro HydrO2. We'll let it sit for like 20 seconds. And as you can kind of see right now, the wheel's not beating any water. I've done a video on that HydrO2 before. It's seriously awesome stuff. Go and rinse it off. And look at the beads just start. The wheels are nice and clean now, ready to go into storage, except these two won't be going into storage actually, because if you noticed, there's a big chunk missing out of this wheel. And you might be thinking that I curbed it. I didn't. If I did, it would be kind of like a scrape across the rim. You'd have seen me driving, it would have moved, right? So it would have been much longer than this. This is like a chunk or a gash. There was this road that I was driving down that had been, it was in the process of being refinished, so they like dropped it down an inch, and I was only going like, I don't know, 40 or 50 kilometers an hour on the road. Not that fast, because you don't really want to go that fast on that road, but there was a sewer or a manhole sticking out like an inch, and I tried to avoid it and I swerved as best I could, but there wasn't really much, you know, anywhere to go, so I hit it just on the edge. And it took a chunk out of this wheel, and it took a chunk out of this wheel as well. So the plan is to actually get these repaired in the winter, get them refinished or whatever, repainted, I don't know, but I'll update you guys on that when it happens and see how that goes. But that really sucks. I was so bummed out about that. Anyways, they're nice and clean now, so those will be ready. I'll get these two here finished up. We are on winter mode now. And it's gonna snow tomorrow. It's so nice today, but watch, tomorrow it'll snow. I'll have links to both of these products in the description if you're interested. CarPro HydrO2 and the Diablo wheel cleaner. This worked really good. I'm very impressed with it. If you guys want to check that out, I'll have links in the description, like I said. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you're having a great day or night, whatever it is where you are.